pleasant evening po. My name is Jairel and I'm here with my fellow groupmates. And let's start with the introduction. We are researchers from the STEM 2 that currently conducting a research entitled Exploring the Experiences of Being Student Council Member at Baliwag University Senior High School. So I would like to ask permission to have your verbal consent na pwede po ba kayong ma-interview and to share your experiences bilang a student council member. So, may I ask, what can we call you during this interview?
Ano na lang po, Ate Mika na lang po.
Okay, and I'm going to tell you our main objective. So, our objective is finding the experiences of student council members. So, para malaman namin ang advantages and disadvantages of being a student member. So, take note na this meeting will be recorded for the sole purpose and transcription. Don't worry po, you will remain anonymous and the transcription, it will be referred as participant 3. The data will be collected and will be confidential and will only be the purpose of the study. And after the data analyzation and the transcription of the video, it will be deleted immediately. So don't feel pressured po, no? Just answer the questions we're gonna ask.
Okay po.
So, so my first question is, how is your experiences so far as a student council member in the Baliwag University? Are you enjoying it or are you stressed?
So far, actually malapit na matapos yung school year, no? Hanggang sa ngayon kasi ang council ay may kanya-kanya pa ring group. So, may part na na-enjoy ko yung pagiging council ko, of course, kasi may sarili akong group of friends dun sa council. Then may part din na stress ako kasi may mga times na nirarush talaga kami sa trabaho, pero hindi naman, parang bound to happen naman kasi talaga yun pagka isa kang student council. Kaya, ayun, 50-50 siguro.
As expected, no, medyo halo-halo like yung mga gawain dun. Like, may pagka-enjoyment and then may pagka-stress at the same time. So let's proceed to the next question. Do you think it affected your student life? Like, nakaka-affect ba yung pagsali mo ng student council?
Oo, sa tingin ko naapektuhan yung academics ko in a way that ina-excuse kami sa classes, pero yung thought na kailangan pa namin maghabol ng lessons, ng activities, kasi yung time namin dapat nakalaan sa council. And also, pati sa mga friends, mga nawawalan ka ng time kasi dahil sa responsibilities mo bilang student council. Kaya, ayun, nakaka-apekto siya.
Pero let me ask, if nakaka-apekto rin po ba siya sa outside the school? Like, mga activities na may gawin?
Outside sa school, hindi naman siya naka-affect.
Okay, let's start with the let's proceed. Sa third question. Is there a reason why you joined the student council?
Meron naman, pero sa tingin ko magiging mababaw yung reason na to kasi originally, last year pala, nung election, kaya lang ako nag-join sa council kasi yung mga, parang pinersuade ako ng mga friends ko and naniniwala naman sila na kaya ko. So, eventually, pinaniwalaan ko na lang din na kaya ko siyang gawin. So, ayun.
Yeah. Oh, that's why. Pero, let me ask you, if sometimes naisip mo ba yung yung pagsali mo, do you even question it, like parang nagre-regret ka? na sinundan mo yung mga friends mo or no?
Actually, syempre magkakaroon ka talaga ng regrets dahil sa mga time na nami-miss out mo. Pero glad naman ako na nag-join ako sa council kasi um, may may drive din kasi ako na mag-serve as a student body, and like hindi ko naman siya nire-regret kasi ayun nga, first sa experience, then dun sa mga friends na alam mo talagang paano ba? Sa ganong situation mo kasi malalaman na may mga kaibigan ka pala talaga na like they got your back. Ganun.
Okay. Let's proceed to the fourth question naman. Do you think being a student council have a benefits to a student?
Oo naman, of course. Ang mga naging benefit sa akin ng student council is that yung experience nga. And one benefit din is malalagay nyo siya sa magiging college resume nyo. And another is may improve yung communication skills nyo and even yung public speaking. Kapag ako kasi dati, kabado ko sa public speaking. Even sa interviews kagaya ng ganito, kinakabahan ako. Pero nung nasama ako sa council, mas na-enhance yung skills ko in terms of communication and public speaking. Ayan.
So, para saan yung question ko sa'yo, like, after what you've said? Will you recommend it, like, sa mga students like us na maybe willing mag-try ng student council? Will you recommend it?
Yes, i-recommend ko siya. Masaya naman siya and marami kayong magigain na knowledge and experience.
Oh, okay.
Stressful
Thank you
nga lang po.
Yeah. Yes. Let's proceed to the fifth question. If there are benefits, did you also face challenges as a student council member? And how did you handle those challenges?
Ang naging challenge ko lang sa student council ay may mga times na nadi-disrespect ako sa organization na yun. Pero ang ginagawa ko na lang is pinapakalma ko yung sarili ko, then saka ko sila kinakausap ng maayos para wala nang gulo, para hindi na lumaki. And matututo naman sila sa ganun.
Oh, yes.
Tatanda na sila.
Well, yes, tama naman, like, it's better to avoid, like, yung problems. So, let's proceed to the final question. Do you still wish to or continue being a student council member?
Po, medyo choppy po yung yung audio po.
Okay, let me repeat it again. Do you still wish to pursue or continue being a student council member?
Ano ba? Honestly, contented na ako sa naging experience ko, and I think na pag natapos yung termino ko, okay na. Kasi may mga grade 11 din kami na senators na talaga, pang candidate talaga sila as higher position sa council. Kaya hindi ko na siguro i-wish pang ituloy ito kasi considering na magka-college na ako and all, maraming responsibilities. Then ayun. Pagod na rin kasi ako. Honestly, nakakapagod maging ST. Kaya, ayun.
Yes. This is gonna be, medyo mas stressful kasi nabayan pa ng pagiging grade 12 mo as a graduating student. Pero yun, thank you po ate. That concludes our interview and thank you for your time. Have a nice night. Thank you po.
Yo, thank you po.
Thank you rin po. Good luck po sa PR1. Good luck.